Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 1SE Lite, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or forced restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly, so it does not respond to your touches, the app crashed, and you actually cannot do anything. All we have to do in order to soft reset our device is to press the power button, which is located on the right side, and press it long enough until we will see the black screen and the developer's logo, which simply means that we just successfully restarted our device. We have to press it for approximately 10 seconds. So let me press it and keep holding it. As you can see, we've got also this, that was a misclick. I did not want to tap on it, so let me do it again. We've got the information that we have to long press for 10 seconds to force reboot. What is more, we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it because our screen does not work properly. As you can see, we've got the black screen, I felt the vibration, we've got the developer's logo, which means that we just successfully reset our device, and right now we have to simply wait until it will be turned on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.